Hey Islanders, I am back and I am ready to be showing all of you awesome stuff with machine learning. So sit back, relax with your favorite snack, and let's get started, shall we? Alrighty Islanders, so today's video is really just going to be all for all of you. There's really not going to be too much programming going on. It's more I want to explain to all of you what's been going on behind the scenes for the past month, why have I not been on, and what's going to be going on with this channel continuing on. And really what you have to understand is what started Islander Robotics. And that happened back in the summer of 2018 where I was studying at Florida Atlantic University to get my electrical engineering degree. And as you all will find out, electrical engineering is not my thing, but my passion for robotics and really my self-esteem for what I knew was starting to dwindle. And it was starting to dwindle in a way that I didn't think I could continue on in general in school because it was not working for me. And that's when I started messing around with 3D printing, 3D design, and learning Python, C++, C, Java, and MATLAB. I taught myself all those vital skills, which is what gave birth to our channel icon, Wolfy, the artificial intelligent dog right here. Now, Wolfy was originally just supposed to help me keep that fire for robotics going and help me just stay focused on continuing my major with electrical engineering. But I noticed something really cool is that people would find out about what I was doing with Wolfy and how it was helping me get through school, and it really encouraged them to keep on going with their passion because they saw all the struggles I was having with school. And let me tell you, I retook many classes. I retook Physics 1 and 2 twice, and I took several other classes over at least more than once. Didn't really get that many A's or B's, mostly C's or F's, but that's besides the point. People saw that I was continuing on with my passion even though essentially all the odds was stacked up against me. And then really December of 2019, right before essentially the world had its little episode that we're still going on through right now, I decided that I really have to find myself. I really have to figure out what am I good at, because what I'm doing in Florida at Florida Atlantic was not working for me. That's when I decided to actually go back home to Rhode Island and transfer all my credits from Florida Atlantic to the University of Rhode Island, where I would continue on my electrical engineering degree. Now, for all those that are wondering, if I'm electrical engineering, why am I messing around with computer science? Well, in December of 2020, that I really had to evaluate what is going on with my life. I noticed that I was doing all these studies for computer science, but at the same time, I was still studying for electrical engineering and I was failing at it, but I could do all these amazing stuff with machine learning, artificial intelligence, and just Python development in general. So what I decided to do was actually switch my majors from from electrical engineering to computer science. So I guess you could say I'm an electrical engineering student turned to the dark side of computer science. And honestly, switching my majors from electrical engineering to computer science is the best thing I've ever done for myself. Because for once, in my whole school career, I have never gotten A's in a class. Ever since I switched majors to computer science, I've been getting A's after A's after A's. And it feels really good that I'm finally figuring out what I'm good at. But there is one catch. Right now, I am a super senior. I started my college career in August of 2017. It is 2021 and I really want to get out of school and start doing real world applications and bring you all along for the ride for what I learned throughout that process. But in doing so, I really have to get my classwork done. This semester alone, I have 5 classes I need to get done. And in the following semester, I have about 4 classes, but there are probably 4 of the hardest classes you can take as a computer science major at the University of Rhode Island, which is one of the reasons why I decided to take off October from posting over here on YouTube. All right, so yes, I took off October really just so I could sit down and focus in on all my studies I have to do for getting my computer science degree. Now, not only that, but I also wanted to make myself have one priority during that month, and that was that I wanted to come up with a plan for what videos were going to be going out for November and December, so that way all you Islanders have high quality consistent content being posted every Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You're all awesome, and I really want to be guaranteeing that all of you get high quality content, which is why I decided to actually take that month off to actually do all those planning. And thank you all so much for being so patient during my time during the time I took off to figure all of this out in October. All right, so I'm asking for all of your help, as well as I'm giving you all the power to go ahead and check out the links down in the description bar down below to let me know on what titles and thumbnails you think I should use for November's videos as well as December's video. And this is really a ritual I want to start doing where I give you all the power to help me out on picking out the next month's titles and thumbnails. So go ahead and check out the links down in the description bar down below. And I want to leave you all with one question. Are you a self-taught programmer, an institutional programmer, meaning you learn from college, or are you like me who is a hybrid of the both? Let me know down in the comment section down below. As always, you're all super fantastic. Thank you all so much for watching, and happy coding. Bye.